Oh na na na.
Ano nga pangalan mo? May.
1, 2.
Ito ang aking best friend noong childhood, si Justin. Nakalimutan. Sige, subukan nyo yung lapit yan. Paano yung plastic? Charing mo yung plastic.
Let it go, let it go, let it go. What you don't need, don't take it with you today. No, don't you know, don't you know, don't you know? Like a river, you can live your life free flow. Yeah, you can fly with the stars. Did you forget you're a skyscraper? But slow down, look around right now. It's a brand new day. It's a new day. It's a brand new day. Whoa, oh, oh. Oh, na, na, na. It's the evening light shining through the curtains. The time before the night when everything is golden.
Ang pag-iibigan ng mag-asawa ay nakabase sa wagas na pag-ibig ng Diyos. Kaya may wagas na pag-iibigan. Walang ibang dahilan kung bakit tayo naririto dahil sa pag-iibigang namamagitan sa inyo. At yun ay dahil mahal kayo ng Diyos.
I would make this moment last for hours. If I had my will, time would just stand still. Wait for me until I find some magic film to take a photograph and live inside.
Honey, hindi ka na mag-iisa sa saya, sa problema, sa kahit anong pagdadaanan natin, makakasama mo ko, sabay natin na lalakbayin yung buhay.
Danica, ito na. Ang ating hinihintay, ang ating pinagpuyatan, ang ating pinagkastresan, bumpalis na. Ito na, tuloy na. Akin ka na.
I can feel it changing. Kids are probably soon. Don't get me wrong, I'm ready. Well, I know what to do when we're no longer two. When us means more than me and you. Oh, if I wished myself a superpower, I would make this moment last for hours. If I had my will, time would just stand still. Wait for me until I find some magic film to take a photograph and live inside.
Alam natin sa buhay mag-asawa, hindi naman lahat araw-araw masaya. Merong episode ng tampuhan, inggitan, selusan, pero tandaan ninyo, walang makakatugon diyan, kundi nasa sa inyo din. Dahil ang puso ninyo ang nagdidikta kung sino ngayon ang dapat manguna sa inyo. At ang alam natin diyan, ang Diyos.
Let me stay right here just a moment longer. The picture is so clear. Please let this last forever.